Have you ever been excited to use a new tool in your coding project only to be hit with an error message? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the import error related to the PunktWordTokenizer in NLTK. I completely understand how annoying it is when you think everything is set up correctly, only to be stopped in your tracks by an error. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with libraries like NLTK. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently encountered an import error when trying to import the PunktWordTokenizer from NLTK. They confirmed that NLTK is installed and even downloaded the necessary components. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this import error? It often happens due to version mismatches or changes in the library structure. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the import error regarding PunktWordTokenizer, the user should first ensure they have the latest version of the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, installed. Next, the user should check if the PunktTokenizer models are downloaded. This can be done by using the NLTK downloader. After downloading the models, the user should verify that they are correctly imported. They can do this by running a simple import statement in Python. If the user still encounters issues, they should check their Python environment to ensure there are no conflicts with other packages or installations. Finally, if all else fails, the user can consult the NLTK documentation or community forums for additional support and troubleshooting tips. Did you know? NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit, and it's one of the most popular libraries for working with human language data in Python. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for text processing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using PunktWordTokenizer instead of PunktWordTokenizer. They explain that PunktWordTokenizer is no longer available, but PunktWordTokenizer can be used to tokenize text. The user highlights a key difference. PunktWordTokenizer keeps punctuation with the word, while PunktWordTokenizer separates all punctuation into individual tokens. For example, this attest would be tokenized differently by each method. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One alternative solution comes from another user who identified a regression issue with PunktWordTokenizer in version 3.2 of NLTK. They found that this problem did not exist in version 3.1. To resolve the import error, they suggest rolling back to version 3.1 or earlier. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your libraries updated and check the documentation for any changes. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should be able to resolve the import error and get back to coding. Remember, staying updated is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on maintaining your coding environment.